Hi everybody, Kristen Johnson, Unique Presenter. Yes, I am doing this video with no makeup on right now. And the reason why, it's because of our April kudos. We are giving away a free packet of our Shine Wipes with the Easy on the Eye collection. So you're saving, $20. You get 4 pigments, the 3D fiber mascara, and then you're getting this for free. I'm also offering this as a hostess gift this month. If you host a Facebook party with me, all of my hostesses will get a packet. So due to that, I had a lot of questions on just what was in the wipes. Is it just an eye makeup remover? How do you use it? That sort of thing. So I wanted to show you. I just took all of my makeup off. Here, you can see it all in my cloth. You get 36 cloths in a packet. And it's daytime right now, but generally what I do is I use these at night. My esthetician has always told me, Kristen, no matter how tired you are, you need to wash your face at night, because I was known for just crawling into bed and being too tired to go to the sink and wash my face. So I always had a different brand sitting by my bed. So now I'm fortunate enough to have, I was so happy when Unique came out with their own. But what's different about these is the natural ingredients that are in these wipes. There is sunflower oil, olive oil, vitamin E, and rosemary. So you're putting all of these nutrients in your face, and when you're done taking your makeup off, it's so smooth and so silky. It feels like you washed and moisturized your face. So again, I do this at night, go to sleep, and then I wake up and then I do my normal, Unique cleanser and moisturizer in the morning. So, and I've noticed a significant difference in my skin just from using these for the last, now it's probably been about 3 weeks that I've been using the cloths. So again, give them a try. You can either purchase the collection, get them for free, host a Facebook party with me, or you can order them as an a la carte item on our website. Like I said, they're only $20 for 36 in a pack. Any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.